A 7? So if I show you my face, you're gonna be a 7?
I don't know. You gotta show me.
You cute though. I'm gonna have to come wherever you at though, for sure. Wherever you at, I'm coming. Where you at?
You're a fucking 10.
I'm a 10. I'm cute. Yo, what is good, my gang? What is good, my squad? You already know you tuning in with your boy Sad Groovy. As you can see from the title today, I will be doing another monkey video. I haven't done one of these type of videos in a while, probably since last year summer. But I'm gonna switch it up. I'm not gonna do a rate me 1 through 10 by my face. I'm gonna do a rate me 1 through 10 by my voice. So as you can see, I got a little ski mask on. So I'm gonna put the ski mask on. You feel me? Damn, I hate ski masks, bro. I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna talk to the girls and be like, yo, rate me 1 through 10 by my voice. And we gonna see what they say. Hopefully they say I'm a 10 cause your boy sexy, you feel me? And then I might take off the mask and be like, am I still a 10? They gonna be like, hell nah, boy, you a 0, and I'm gonna be mad as a mug. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, and make sure you leave a comment on this video. And I got a whole headband on, so I forgot to take it off, but oh well. So, you know, let me know how you guys doing right now during this little quarantine shit that's going on. But I'm about to start the screen recording. It should pop up now. And I'm about to go to the monkey app. And let's get it. What's up? Let's get it. Let's see how they feel about your boy. Oh, hold up. Oh shit.
Have you ever did position 69?
6'9"?
No, 69.
No, add time though, real quick.
Do you even know position 69?
Yeah, I know what that is. That's when she sucking and you eating it, yeah. So rate me 1 through 10 for my voice.
For your voice?
Mm-hmm. From my voice. Like, what would you give me?
I'll give you, I feel like you'll be like a chill person. I'll give you like a 7.
You think I'd be like a what?
A 7.
Alright, so if I show you my face, you think I'm still gonna be a 7?
Yeah.
You say you wanna see my face?
Or yes.
Alright. What am I now?
Oh, you a 10.
I'm a 10 for sure, I'm a 10.
You're pretty cute.
I am? Alright, add me on Snap.
Yeah. Bet.
Alright, I'm doing a YouTube video. Go subscribe to my channel.
Bet. Just send it to me.
Alright, bet. Alright, peace. Woo! Hold on, your boy got shit. Hold on. But I'll tell you, your boy fine, yo. You feel me? Oh, hold on, that's another girl. Oh, hold on, I gotta keep the mask on, bruh. Stop playing with your boy fine. But I'll tell you, bro, your boy fine. Stop playing. Bro, I don't do boys. Come on now. All give me all these boys. Boy, gangsta shit. Stop playing. Come on now. Hold up, is it gonna connect? Excuse me.
This was wrong.
Yo, bitch ass.
I would beat the shit out you, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? Where you from?
You got no gat, nigga. Talking about some you going.
Man, you a bitch ass nigga. What's up with you? What you wanna do? Add time, nigga. Add time. Oh, stop playing with me, boy. Yo, boy, what's up, boy? Alright, stop playing with me like I won't really beat the shit out you. You niggas tripping out here. Niggas crazy. I'm gonna have to beat a nigga up. Nigga bugging out you. Oh yeah, it's 2 girls. Yo, I got a question for y'all. Add time real quick. Yo, rate me 1 through 10 for my voice. You heard? An 8?
Yeah.
What about what the other girl say? Yeah, she even there.
She said an 8.
Alright, so if I show y'all my face, you think I'm still gonna be 8?
Let's see.
Alright. I'm an 8, or I'm lower now.
Still an 8.
I'm an 8.
Yeah, still an 8.
Alright. I'm doing a YouTube video, so I had to ask y'all this question. Go subscribe to my channel though. Damn.
What is it?
Sad
You gonna be
Groovy.
in it? Make sure we in it.
Yeah, it is in it. It's Sad Groovy.
Alright. What is it?
Sad Groovy. C-E-D, then Groovy.
Alright.
Alright, bet. Well, I don't know how to lead this shit, so you know how to like lead this shit? Cause I gotta keep going with the video.
You gotta wait till the time go by.
Damn! Yeah, but subscribe to my channel though.
C-E-D-E Groovy?
C-E-D then Groovy.
Alright. Groovy.
Y'all do YouTube?
No.
Damn. Your boy cute. No, stop. Hey, your boy cute. You feel me? I'm cute out here. Hold on, stop playing. I'm cute. I'm cute. I don't do boys. Come on now. Your boy cute out here. I haven't seen nobody do this yet, so make sure somebody else do it. Come at me. Excuse me. Yeah, cause I'm doing a YouTube video, but rate me for my voice 1 through 10. How you think I look?
Why?
Add time. Damn. What? It just adds time. I forgot to turn add time. Oh yeah, for sure. Excuse me. Yo, rate me for my voice.
Hey, drop you.
Rate me for my voice 1 through 10. Add time.
No, by your voice.
Yeah. I'm gonna show you my face.
You sound like a girl.
Bitch, I'll slap the shit out. She said I sound like a girl. I really punch you in your face. Don't ever try to play me like that. You heard her, boy? Bitch is trying to do her weak ass edges. Try to play me. You wildin'. You wildin'. Don't ever try to play me. Come on, I'm not trying to have no long ass video. They playing. Damn, what's up? Oh yeah. Damn. Just waiting. Come on now, come on. Come on, what's up? It's taking forever. Connection failing. Hold on. Wi-Fi twirling. I don't do the guys. Why you keep giving me guys, bro? What's up? Oh yeah. In fact, she from New York. She ghetto. Yo, she skipped me. Fuck you. Hold on. Yo, I'm doing the YouTube video. Can you rate me for my voice 1 through 10?
A 7.
7. So if I show you, wait, add time real quick. If I show you my face, I'm still gonna be a 7. You think?
Probably.
Alright, I'm about to show you. I'm still a 7. Or I went low. I'm a 7.
A 9.
A 9. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. You gonna see this. You heard?
Alright.
Alright. She was tapping shit. But you know, your boy really cute though. Stop playing. Baby, hold on. Gotta get that bedazzle. Stop playing. I'm really cute out here. Oh. Hold on. I'm really cute though. These girls giving me 9s. You feel me? Oh, them 2 boys. Hell nah. Feel me? I don't do that. Under here. Stop playing with me. Oh yeah. Facts. Come on, let me get that. Come on, stop playing. Connection bad right now, bro. I'm all in the freaking garage. Bruh. Oh yeah, 2 girls, what's up? Yo, I'm doing a YouTube video right now. I'm doing a YouTube video. Rate me for my voice 1 through 10. Add time.
Can I have? So I can go like.
Add time. I don't know what the fuck y'all said. Shut the fuck up. All I had to do was add time so I could ask y'all my question, bro. Stop giving me guys. I don't fuck with guys. The fuck? Oh, that's almost set. Damn, they playing. Give me all these guys and junk. Shut off and let's skip you too. Oh yeah, 2 girls. Yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video right now, and can y'all rate me for my voice 1 through 10? Y'all heard? Damn, y'all connection ass as shit. Damn. Or it might be mine. Yo, I'm all in the garage, so you know the connection kind of bad, bro. Oh yeah, hold up. Yo, I got a question. Can y'all rate me 1 through 10 for my voice? I'm doing a YouTube video.
7.
So if I show you my face, it'd be a 7? Wait, add time real quick.
Okay.
Alright. I'm still a 7?
I can't see your hair.
My head covered. You can't see it right now. I got a whole thing on my head.
You're like a 7.5.
7.
Yeah.
Yo, so go subscribe to my YouTube. You gonna see this.
Okay. Okay, what's it called?
Sad Groovy. C-E-D, then Groovy.
Okay.
Hold on. They about to go subscribe. Family got. Oh shit, I can't see. Oh yeah, facts. Yo, I got a question. Can you rate me 1 through 10 for my voice? You heard? What the fuck? I'm out the fight. What's up? Stop playing with me. Fuck you talking about, boy? Stop playing with me. She playing with me. What is you talking about? Oh yeah, stop playing gangster shit. Oh, you fine as shit. Yo, can you rate me for my voice 1 through 10? At a time.
How am I gonna rate you from 1 to 10?
My voice, by my voice. I'm gonna show you my face out there, by my voice.
Okay. Let me hear. Let me turn the music off.
What's up? Rate me. Oh, you smoke? Oh, mad shit. What's up? Rate me 1 through 10 though.
Oh, I like you. 7.
A 7. So if I show you my face, it's gonna be a 7.
I don't know. You gotta show me.
You cute though. I'm gonna have to come wherever you at though, for sure. Wherever you at, I'm coming. Where you at?
You're a fucking 10.
I'm a 10. I'm cute. Add me on Snap.
Why do you have that mask on? Okay, send me your snap.
Because I'm doing a YouTube video. You heard? Oh, this shit freezing.
You got me on YouTube?
Mm-hmm. Add me on YouTube or subscribe to my channel.
What's your YouTube? My sister's moving.
It's Sad Groovy. It's C-E-D.
What's your YouTube? I'm gonna need to write.
It's C-E-D, then Groovy. You cute as hell though. I'm gonna have to hit you up for sure. You trying to be my girlfriend? I need a girlfriend.
CD group.
Yeah, I need a girlfriend. You trying to be my girlfriend?
Who is your girlfriend?
You.
I gotta see what you're about.
Yeah, you gonna like me, trust me.
It doesn't pop up.
C-E-D, then G-R-O-O-V-Y. It should. Put C-E-D, then Groovy.
I did.
You sure?
Yeah.
Hold on. Like this.
Send the link to me.
Alright, bet. I'm gonna send you the link. Alright, you cute.
I got you.
I'm gonna hit you up though.
Alright, bet.
Bet. Yo, she fine as shit. We're gonna do one more. Yo, my Wi-Fi acting shitty, bro. She was fine as fuck. Got me a little boobie. Stop playing with me. I'm the first to do this on YouTube that I seen. So if anybody else do it, tell them to add me right now. That's a fact. Shorty was fine as shit though. We gonna keep that a butt. Feel me? If I don't get another girl by the time this hit 13 minutes, bruh, then I'm not doing another one. Shorty was fine. Alright, bruh, it's 13 minutes. I'm giving it a couple more seconds, bruh. Give me all these guys. Come on. Oh yeah, gotta go right here. Hold up. She playing. Bro, my Wi-Fi is terrible right now, bruh. I can't believe this. I can't believe my Wi-Fi on some ass shit. Hold up. What the fuck? Fuck. I had to report their ass though. Hold on, what the fuck? Oh, feel me? Man, she was looking too ghetto. Oh yeah, this is the last one. Ooh. Yo, rate me for my voice 1 through 10. I'm doing a YouTube video. Her ass fat though. You heard? I will, add time. I did. Rate me for my voice. Rate me for my voice 1 through 10. I'm doing a YouTube video. You gotta rate me for my voice 1 through 10.
2.
A 2? I'm dead. Alright, I'm gonna show my face. I'm still a 2. I'm a 0 now.
Yeah, 3.
I'm a 3.
Show your hair.
Ho, brother, ho, whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
Show your hair.
You can't. I got a thing on. I got a thing on. You
Show
can't.
your hair. I don't care. Show your hair.
You can't. I got a thing on.
Well, take it off.
Never. My shit laid down right now.
Please. Then no, you went down in another 2.
I'm another 2. Damn. Shit.
Take off your thing then, because hair plays a big role.
I know. My shit laid down. You can't see it.
Is it nappy?
I'm dead. It's laid down for real.
Let us see.
I will show you. If you add me. Add me on Snap and I'll show you.
Oh my god. What is it?
Add me on Snap. Or
Oh. Okay, mine's made out.
alright. So I gotta keep going with my YouTube video, but yeah. Alright. That bitch ugly because we can really shake if you want to, but this is basically the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment, because this is actually funny and lit. So I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna do more of these if you guys like this. But yeah, stay groovy, stay tuned. I got more coming for y'all. Peace.